me, tinyarielpearl. I'm new to YouTube. Oh my god, I just seen this amazing obby just now. Well, it's not the obby, but it's like, I love the heart. Anyways, let's get back to what I was saying. Oh my gosh. So, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and share. Also, comment down below. Comment down below if you love my outfit. So, it is 9 AM and I just missed one class, which is fine, I guess. But, we're in Champtix High. There's been a massive new Valentine's Day update, which is amazing, which I love, and it's awesome. And, we did art class earlier. And then I did my little intro, so I missed one class, but it's fine. So let's go in our locker. Did I leave my smoothie in here? No, I finished it. Okay. I was just checking. Now, let's just check about what class we have. Art, swimming. Okay, swimming is there. I can't see anybody. That's a bit weird. Oh, Sky. Hi. Oh. Rugby lover. Oh my god, I've seen this in one of the videos. So, you like rugby? I think this guy likes me, I'm not sure. I love football. Oh, okay. Let's just go to PE. Oh, I love PE. Run. Okay, I'm just gonna fly for fun. Okay. Oh, why am I always have to be last? That girl was cheating. I'll go talk to that guy again in a bit, but I'm gonna have to face these girls. These girls seem like bullies to me. It's like army leader. Like, really? Scary girls. No! Sorry, I went in front of you. Ah! I love PE class, but sometimes I lose, which is the worst part. No! Go up, down, in. Now I just need to go under, up. Stupid tinyarielpearl girl. Do this. Okay. Okay, run up. Okay, ding. Okay. Woo! I was third. So rugby guy wanna be my program update. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm just asking him. He probably has already got one because she's sitting next to another girl. So I'm not sure. He kind of went up to my face earlier. Yes. He said yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ah, girl, in my face. Ah. Okay. I had an A. You are pretty cute in that outfit. don't know what to say. I'm gonna walk away. I hate it too. I hate it too. I hate English class in this game. So English. Failure to attend. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, felt like I just went into Hogwarts. You stole my seat. No, that's ain't fair. Oh. Why can't I get my seat? There you go. Alright. Phew. I hate this word. It was an amateur mistake. Guys, I got it right now! I love that, the flowers. Alright. I accidentally bit my tongue. Oh yeah, it was that one. I can literally see from my body. That's weird. It's me, so. Enough. This one. Yes, I got it correct. The dab dab. Enough. I saw that girl in PE. Argument. Nope. Embarrassing, this one. No? Oh yeah, just 2 B's. I'm just gonna cheat for people. I'm gonna go B. Yeah. So I'm like nice to other people, so I got a C. That's okay. A, B, C. Not really that good, but yeah. Alright, let's go to lunch. I love lunch. It's my favorite part of the day. Salad, sugar cookies, and chips. Oh yes. Of course I will have Donald. I'm gonna have some water from PE because I am really thirsty now. So I want a sweet cake. Okay, so let's have lunch and then we'll have the next class and maybe we can probably have our little prom date come with us. So, salad and chips. Oh, I water. I almost forgot I had something else. I had my little sugar cake. My sweet cake looks amazing. It's blue and it's got some strawberries. Yeah. So I guess I can sip this girl. She's got a big lump of cheese there. I guess she doesn't like me. Just eat my own. Oh! My prom date is here. Hi! I just want to say that. Yes, I do. I do have a dome. Yes, I do. I do have a dome. Dorm, I mean, not dome. Like he's reading my mind. It's so weird. Anyways, at least I got somebody by my side. At least I got one friend. These 2 girls bullying me before I even started the video. They're not anymore because I told them I'm doing a video. Anyways. Why doesn't he change his outfit? He does know that there is a change in avatar thing. Oh, I just want to steal this girl's check. Okay, computer class is next, so I better go. Computer book, and let's go up the elevator for once. I love the elevator now. It is adorable. Look at the elevator. It's like a princess carriage, but but it goes up. Well, I didn't hit my head then. Okay. Oh, big bump at the end. It's not real royal anymore. Well, you gonna go down or? What did we come up? No, I don't think so. Anyways, I'm early for computer class. Oh, and I was just on time. And I was here before everybody else. Oh, and my date is sitting next to me again, which is very weird. But I asked him to be my date, so yeah. So, is computer class going to start? Come on! I think we're going to have to miss computer class. Honestly, oh, it's because, it's not bad. Well. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Say bye-bye, boyfriend. Oh, date. Bye. Bye, guys.